Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to add this cloth to the hook and also how to trace the picture in this fabric. To fix this cloth to this hook, so if you see here in this hook, you'll have two pieces. You'll keep the smaller one at the bottom, place the cloth on top of the hook. First we have to loose this hook and place it in the top of this bottom piece. So it will come like this. You can tighten it little bit. You have to tighten this cloth as they say it as drum tight. So how to do that? Turn your work and you pull like this. All the sides you will pull and you can tighten the screw. You can tighten the screw. So it should get like this way sound. This is how we will add the cloth to the hook. Now we'll see how to trace the picture on this cloth. So which picture you want to trace it, we will take a print, place it here, place this cloth on the top of it and you can trace it just by drawing the picture on the cloth. So this is how we will trace the picture in the cloth. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.